Okay, so you're gonna go to Afrotech, you're gonna click on schedule, go ahead and choose one of those dates. I find this is better if you just go by this way because it's too long otherwise. Grab that URL for me and then let's go out to our assistant. So in the assistant, you're going to go in and enter this prompt. Don't worry about it. This will be included in the comments of wherever it is I post this. And once you posted it, what we're asking essentially is for our assistant to go ahead, crawl that URL, create for us a table in this format, and call out things like event type and what have you. So let's go ahead and enter. And once we do that, then Bing is off and running and creating our table. I know you see this. I know you see this. This is not me having to copy and paste anything. All right, let's make it do that. Once it's finished and complete, go ahead and open it in Excel already right there. So export out. And once it's loaded and opened, then you'll have a table of all of the events that it was able to capture. This is an example, a demo, if you will, of what you can do. You can go in and build in breaks, freshening up in the evening, adding additional columns like what you want to wear, who you're looking to network with, all of those things. But I want to be the organization butterfly if I did not keep going. So go ahead and take this, save it to your computer, desktop, what have you, and head to Notion. We're going to create a page in Notion because we want to take advantage of Notion's ability to create a calendar. All right, so let's go ahead and create a page. Title it whatever you want to title it. And then, this is important, click import. We're going to import the document that the assistant just made for us. And this is going to create a database in Notion. Now that we have this database, you see it? You see it? Is it beginning to come together? All right. But now that we have this database, the thing I like about Notion is that you're able to take out notes and organize and things. So if you just click on the word, if you click on open, you have now this whole notepad like related to that specific row. You can add notes, you can add a comment. I'm actually going to add a comment because I'm going to link my visual organizer, and I have a treat for you all who might be interested in that template. This is what is keeping me sane. So I'm going to link out my visual organizer to my Notion for where I'm creating the calendar. And of course, I'll also link the calendar here. Awesome. And if any of you are like, hey, Afrotech's right around the corner, I don't have the time to create this, that's all cool. I have the template out, and for just a cup of coffee, it's yours.